In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Revolut Junior for Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just like the standard Revolut card, you can attribute your Revolut under 18 or Revolut Junior card to a digital wallet, in this case, the Apple Wallet. To do this, first you will have to give the card permissions, so whoever the parent that takes care of the card is, they will need to go over to the settings and make sure that that functionality is enabled. So if you go over to your own Revolut Junior profile and you access card settings, you will notice that you have a list of all of the things that you can do. However, most of the time, Pay with Apple Pay is going to be under the things that you cannot use your card to do. So whoever has access to the card settings will need to change this first. As you can see, the settings for your card are controlled by your parent and can't be changed by you. So after they go into the settings and they make sure that Apple Pay is allowed on this card, then you will be able to add the card to a digital wallet. So once this is done, go into the card settings and you should see the Add to Apple Wallet button. Of course, this screenshot is from the standard Revolut app, but you should also be able to find this option on your Revolut Junior card instead. Once it is added onto the Apple Wallet, you can physically place your phone near a card reader to issue payments. And as long as you select the Revolut Junior card as the payment method, it is going to be used for any contactless purchase that you make. It is simple to do, and you will find the option as long as under the card settings, Pay with Apple Pay is allowed. So the parent has to enable this option, and after it is done, just look for the Add to Apple Wallet button underneath the Revolut Junior card. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Revolut Junior on Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.